Right guys, I am riding through a lovely forest area with trees to the left, beautiful natural lake to my right, and the sun sort of peeking through all the trees over here. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Just to see the sun still rising, and what's this? Oh, I think I need to get off my bike and attempt this. Maybe next time, guys, when I can feel my toes, I shall do this long jump. I stopped recording for about I don't know how long, maybe at most a mile, probably half a mile, because it just wasn't very picturesque or scenic, you know. I mean, similar to what morning is on my right and my left at the moment. It's pretty much the environment, industrial parks, and you know. Oh, that's quite interesting. Let me turn around and try and get that footage. That boat very much like that little boat that we saw earlier, is sinking into the canal. Now part of the furniture. Why do you put speed humps on here? Honestly, who's speeding along here? Whatever else next, eh? They're gonna put like speed cameras where they take 3 points of your bicycle license for speeding along the canal. They're absolutely ridiculous. Oh. Whoa, 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 this is off-roading. Brakes. That's where I had to exit this path yesterday and find the train, unfortunately, for the rest of the way home. So we've just gone past Waltham Abbey and Chesham, and now we're heading further south into in Hertford Lock, actually, along the kind of the Lee Valley Reservoir, and then we kind of get in towards Tottenham, Haringey, and then Hackney. See you guys in a little bit. Okay, my body's temperature is starting to really drop now. But yeah, on the final sort of home stretch, a path that I'm familiar with because I was just coming in the opposite direction yesterday, and yes, but today we're met with this beautiful sunshine. Look to complete the second leg, or the return trip, I should say, of my challenge, which was basically to ride from where I live in East London, in Hackney, to visit my friend Joff up in Hertfordshire East. I've taken the train up there many times recently and over the years, But I always wanted to cycle there. Now, the original plan was to do this kind of, well, this exact cycle trip that I've done half of yesterday and all of today. Was to do it when the weather was a lot warmer to begin with, when it wasn't so cold and miserable. I mean, I don't mind a bit of rain here and there, but as you can see, the paths and the terrains that you have to cycle through. Oh, good morning, horses. Especially when, you know, it's wet and miserable, it's not enjoyable to ride through some of these gravel, mud, yeah, muddy paths where you lose traction and you can fall over. Where is the logic in this? Someone, please comment. In this video, if I ever upload these clips to a video, please comment and tell me what is the point of that bouncy kind of. I see. What's gone on here? Right, okay. Silly me. I didn't realise. Yeah, you want to go up there. It's very bouncy there. Oh, you're welcome. He's like, I know, you idiot. I've done this. I've cycled here many a times. You tell me.